Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to fill a hole. So for example, I will create a rectangle and then use pull tools to convert into 3D. Next you can draw a rectangle in it and then I will draw circle and use pull tools to create holes. You can click in the top face to the bottom. You can orbit and then click in here to create hole like this. So we'll select again this face and then move into this point to create hole. The next, if you want to fill this hole, you can create edge like by using these line tools. I will create stuff from this point into here to be fill the hole, and in the bottom you also create the line. After it, you can use erase tools to erase the edge. Okay. Also same in the circle object, you can create a line at the top and then in the bottom here. Use erase tools to delete the edge. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to fill a hole. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.